So let me show you guys how to download Claude for desktop in your Windows 11. So first, open your browser and search cloud.com/download and press enter. So from here, since we want to download for Windows, click download for Windows button and wait for the file to be downloaded. So here it is. So right click and click open to continue with our setup. So click yes. So you can see our Claude has already been installed. So you can continue with our setup. So you can click get started. So here you can choose the sign in method. So I'll choose continue with Google. So I'll enter my email address. So click next. My password. Click next. Not now. Second step verification. So yes. So continue. So you'll get a pop-up that this site is trying to open Claude. So you can select open. So let Claude access your camera. You can either accept or decline. So for now, I'll say no. I'll uncheck this and then can click continue. And you can see that we have already installed the Claude desktop. So when you close this one and this one, let's close this one. So when you come to the search bar and type Claude, you can see that you have already downloaded it and installed it on our Windows 11. So when you click open, so the Claude app will get open on your desktop. So that's basically how to download and install the Claude desktop for your Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.